Ever since Polaris launched the Expedition, it claimed the crown as the ultimate overland side-by-side. Fully enclosed cab, HVAC, serious trail chops. But let's be honest, early models had one major complaint: cab noise and clutch whine at cruising speeds. For 2027, Polaris claims to have answered the call with an industry first: NUMATIX compressed air transmission technology and a Gen 2 gearbox. Let's dive into everything new, how this air-assisted clutch works, and whether it's worth the upgrade. The star of the show for 2027 is the NUMATIX-controlled CVT. Traditional mechanical CVTs keep engine RPM screaming even when you're just cruising flat ground. NUMATIX introduces an onboard compressed air system that actively controls belt clamping and shift ratios. What does that mean in the real world? Lower cruising RPMs. When you're in comfort mode, the air clutch drops engine revs without bogging down power. Quieter cabin. Polaris reports a drop of up to 9 decibels inside the cab, significantly cutting down fatigue on long trail days. Multiple drive modes. Switch to sport mode, and it shifts aggressively for immediate throttle response when you need quick power. Because the vehicle now has a dedicated compressor and reservoir for the transmission, Polaris took advantage of it. Onboard air. You get an integrated air hose connection straight from the factory. If you drop your tire pressures down to 8 psi for sand or rock crawling, you can air right back up before hitting high-speed dirt roads without carrying a third-party compressor. Inside, the Expedition remains the benchmark for overland side-by-sides. Full HVAC, true automotive-grade heating and air conditioning that keeps the cab dust-free and temperature-controlled. Tech, 7-inch ride command with GPS, trail mapping, and group ride tracking. Storage and modularity, lock and ride max cargo integration with options for rooftop tents, spare tire carriers, and storage boxes. So is the 2027 Polaris Expedition the right move? If you do long-distance adventure touring and hated the high RPM drone of previous model years, NUMATIX is a massive leap forward. However, some riders still wish Polaris brought a factory turbo option for heavier 5-seat builds. What do you think of the new air clutch setup? Is this the future of UTV transmissions, or too complex? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more off-road walkarounds, and we'll see you out on the trail.